Alexander Osterwalder's business model framework has been widely adopted in the software industry. Almost everyone is familiar with the business model canvas. However, although the framework seems simple, it has proven complicated to implement and hard to maintain. The analysis of the business model environment especially needs more attention. Without a thorough understanding of the environment, any business model offers little value. A workshop facilitated by me will help B2B software companies use the business model framework to improve their competitive position in the market. It will help you identify activities to increase your growth and improve your other ambition metrics, such as increasing your company's value in preparing for a liquidity event. At the end of the workshop, we will have developed and documented an action plan with items aimed at fixing your most critical issues. The agenda is client-specific. Before the workshop, you will brief me on your situation, challenges and objectives through one or more web meetings. I will draft the agenda based on your input and my independent research. Now email me if you want to use the business model framework as the foundation for achieving your strategic ambitions.